Good morning, students. I am Neha Singh, your social study teacher. I hope you all are doing good. All of you are safe. Children, as you know that nowadays we were learning the chapters from history, and in that till now we have discussed about the women's. What was the situation earlier in India regarding the women's and men's, mostly about the women's, how they were only inside the houses and they were responsible for the works, household works only. They were not allowed to go to do work outside. Moreover, some parts they were not allowed to study or go to school. So today we will study how the opportunity was given to the women and now what is the situation. So students, now the girls and the women, everybody, they are able to work in the offices. They get the opportunity to go to schools, different colleges, universities. But have you ever thought that how this is possible? This is possible because of the struggle of the women. This is known as the women's movement. Many women, many ladies, individually and in collectively have struggled a lot. They have faced lots of problems for getting the freedom, getting the opportunity to study in schools. This movement is known as the women's movement. Not only women's, girls were there. Many men have also supported the women in making the situation better. They have participated along with the women to get the opportunity to study and go to school. Children, not only regarding the studies and going out to schools, a campaigning was also done. This campaigning was done against to fight the discrimination, like for the boys and the girls, the rules. And sometimes what happened after marriage or before marriage also, girls get mental and physical violence. So these were the problems. To solve this problem and to raise their voice, campaigning was done. In 2006, a legal protection was also given to those women who were suffering mental or physical violence at their home. So basically it was made to protect the women who were suffering regarding the violence also and the discrimination also. Even now and at many few places, not many, very few places in India, in villages, still the discrimination happens, violence is happening. So the law was made to give them protection so that they can come up and they can get a solution regarding their problem and they don't get more danger or they don't get the consequences because they were not able to survive the violence. Children, you must be thinking that the women, the ladies who were facing these problems, how they will get to know about the legal help and how can they think that what should I do, where should I go, and is there a law like this, what is the legal process, how can I come out from this. So street plays, have you ever seen any street play? It is regarding any awareness. A group of few people on the street in a same cloth, they enact the situation and they also tell that after this problem where we can go and what is the solution for that. So for awareness among the women, the street plays were done so that the ladies at the villages, at small places can get an idea and get the knowledge where to go and get help and get out of their problems. You must have read the word children behind me, it is protesting. So whenever there is any violence and anything emerges like that, then the women's movement gets active and they help out the needful. Children, with this we come to the end of the chapter. I have explained each and every topic and I think you have understood the topic. Go through your book, go through the worksheets, underline the important lines which you feel in the book to be underlined. After reading the chapter, go through the videos. You will understand the topic thoroughly. For the next chapter, we will meet in the next video. Till then, stay home, be safe, and thank you.